Good afternoon, children. Today we will start with the new chapter, that is 6th chapter, Physical Activity and Leadership Quality. What is physical activity? Physical activity simply means movement of the body that uses energy. Okay? There are mainly 4 types of physical activities. First one is aerobics, second one is muscle strengthening, Third physical activity is bone strengthening. Fourth physical activity is stretching. First one we will see aerobics. Aerobics, the benefits of aerobics are for especially heart and lungs. By doing running, swimming, walking, bicycling, dancing, doing jumping and jacks, that is jumping jacks. Second one is muscle strengthening activities. Muscle strengthening activities helps to improve the strength, power and endurance of muscles. By doing push-ups and sit-ups, we can increase our muscle strength. By lifting weights, by climbing stairs and by digging in the garden, etc. One is helps in making your bone strong. That is by running, walking, jumping the rope and lifting weights. It helps in making the bones strong. Fourth one is stretching. Stretching helps in improving flexibility and ability to fully move every joints of the body. By doing touching the toes exercises, by touching the toes. Second one is by side stretching. Third exercise by doing yoga exercises. Leadership. The next topic is leadership. Leadership means, leadership can be described as the ability of an individual to influence, motivate and enable others to contribute towards the effectiveness and success of an organization or a group of which they are members. And a leader means a person who can bring about change, therefore is one who has the ability to be a leader. Next topic is qualities of a leader. First quality is academically sound. Academically sound. Academically sound means a person, he must be well qualified with good command and should have good experience and also to lead the group. The next point is good personality. Here good personality means leader should have handsome and attractive personality so that everybody could attract towards him or her. Third point is good moral character. The leader must possess moral values with good character. A leader behavior should be very impressive and good and example for others, so that the social qualities of a leader should be praiseworthy. Fourth point is intelligent. A leader should be very intelligent and creative. Sixth point is determination. Determination here means a person should be determined and firm decision making capacity and expect from a good quality of a leader. Next is self-discipline. Here self-discipline means regularity, punctuality, as well as the person should adjust politeness, patience, abstract thinking and also tolerance capacity should be strong. Next point is inculcate inculcate friendship. The leader should encourage cooperation as well as encourage team spirit, brotherhood and inspire group to do the same. Courageous qualities should be and logical thinking should be in him. 8th point is expressive and optimistic. The leader should able to express his ideas and should be dominant as well as ideas should be easy way to express. The leader must have an imaginative and optimistic attitude towards every problem so that he could solve the problem very optimistically. The next point of qualities of a leader is master of physical skills. Here master of physical skills means the leader should be able to demonstrate and as well as explain the physical skills to understand so that they could understand very easily. A good leader should be courageous also. 10th point is loyal. The leader should be loyal to his group, to his elders, and also the person should sincere and honest towards the whole group. 11th point is example to others. Here example to others means leader's behavior should be such that everybody is impressed by him and her or her and should also present an example for others. Last point is impartial. The leader should be impartial and unbiased towards his followers. He or she should justify to the group support every and each member of the group equally.